Hi. So, in the closet Tuesday, look what I've got. I've been actually helping some people pack for an overseas trip. And on the Queen of the Closet, you'll notice that I've got all of these fabulous things to help you pack and to help you pack more efficiently, because so many people take too much luggage and it's really truly not necessary to take so much stuff on trips with you. So when you go on the Queen of the Closet, you'll find that there's storage cubes. These storage cubes are absolutely fantastic. I live by them. I pack all of my stuff in them when I travel, and I carry one piece of luggage. One piece of luggage. And 9 times out of 10, it's going to be hand luggage, okay? Because I don't like carrying a lot of stuff. They come in beautiful shades of black and white and blue. And there's a toothbrush holder. There are little cubes like this. I think I've actually shown you something that I do similar to this when it comes to like bag inserts. So when you're traveling with some of these cubes, like say for instance, this is a good cube for your makeup and or your toothbrush and your other kind of cosmetics, or it's a good one just to kind of like use as a filler for your handbag insert, so that after you've unpacked everything and you want to kind of like take an extra handbag with you that is flat in your luggage, you can actually just insert one of these and fill it with your necessities. This also makes a good underwear and sock pouch. And when you open up all of the other pouches in the larger one, you'll see, I mean, there's 6 of them. So you just go down the line. This is actually for laundry. This is actually also for bras, panties. This is also for brushes and or any other kind of thing that you have. Might be a little bit of personal stuff, which we won't go into. But you go into all of these little cubes and you'll start to see these cubes, and it's mesh on the other side, so everything is breathable. They're square. These are a life send. I mean, these are such a blessing. And the reason why is because you sit all of these in your luggage and you put them all in your luggage and they roll up. They're flat if they need to be. If you're buying new stuff, you can actually then repack them in some of these pouches. This is, I'm telling you, you're gonna live in these things. And they're available for Christmas. They make a great gift. So you can actually, I haven't come up with my Christmas gift list yet. Well, actually I have, because on the Queen of the Closet, all of it's listed there. But look at all of this. Also, these are great to pack knits flatly, because they will actually fold and fit in here. So I've actually traveled with these, and I've actually put about 4 or 5 different knits in one of these. And in the larger one, I have all of my leggings. So you can see, and it has little straps on the inside. When you order these, you'll be able to kind of like take a look and see just how beneficial this is. You're gonna live with these. Inside of each one of them, the larger ones, they've got little straps. So with these straps, what you can do is just hold down whatever. 13 pairs of leggings, you know, fold it back and forth, went into a little bag just like this. See how flat that is, and see how flat it folds up? 13 pair of leggings. Some of them were for workout, some of them were actually for me wearing for my walks, and then some of them were actually dress up. I'd wear a pair of shoes with heels with them. And of course, there are shoe bags here too. You're gonna love these, I'm telling you. These and mothballs are my thing. So go to thequeenofthecloset.com, check those out. You don't have to register on the site. You just simply go to the products. You can go into all of the stuff that I've listed for closets, all of the stuff that I listed for shoes, boots, purses, and so forth. It's all there at the Queen of the Closet. It's absolutely wonderful. Check it out. I mean, especially for Christmas, because these will make good Christmas gifts. Give people things that they not necessarily want or would think to buy for themselves, but stuff that they need, especially if they're a traveler and especially if they need to get organized. You can go to thequeenofthecloset.com and you will actually find that stuff there. Okay? I don't know how else to say it. You get organized. I mean, a new year is coming. I cannot believe that 2021 has gone this quickly, but it has. And so therefore, we've got to just deal with it. If we want to live, we've got to keep moving. And if we keep moving, we're going to age and then eventually die, I guess. But in the meantime, we can still be organized whilst doing it. Okay, so I love you so much for watching, and thank you so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye.